Thomas Fa / Logan. If you guys like this video, so you guys said how I said it will soon be coming. Well, now I was gonna do 15 likes, and I'm also gonna show you my invisible hack, how to make the Chompies invisible on the game. But I will have some new Skylander videos coming, some reviews on stuff. Club Penguin, GP, and I'm not joking. And I'm gonna be on my phone with my cousin. So, and I'll also give you the Club Penguin phone number. JK, I actually know it. I'm gonna call him. You guys can see what we asked during the process. And when I make the video, I hope you guys will like it, subscribe, and whatnot. I hope you like this video of my cute puppy. And she's not as young as she used to be. As you saw earlier, those pictures, those were pictures of what she looks like, me and her. Okay, thanks for watching. Hey, baby girl. Oh, I got that on video, baby girl.